All right, I'm going to show you how to do the drops on a penny lab today. I've got all my materials here. I have my pipette from the lab supplies kit. I have a little paper plate so I don't make a mess of the table. I have a clean, dry penny so I'm ready for my experiment. I have some paper towel so that I can clean up between trials. And I have a cup with a little bit of water in it. I've got my data table prepared in advance with the liquids that I'm going to test. And I am ready to go. You'll notice that the penny is heads up on the table. Does it matter? Could I do it tails up? Probably. What's more important? That I do it the same side up every time? Or that I choose a particular side? I don't know if heads up or tails up makes a difference, but I know as a validity measure, we should do it on the same side every time. So I'm going to show you how to do it with the water, and then we'll talk about the rest. So let's zoom in on the penny. All right, so I'm going to stick my pipette in. I'm going to get some water, come over here to my penny and start counting drops. Notice that I'm taking full-size drops, just a gentle squeeze. That was a double drop, so I would count both of them. And I'm going to keep going until the bubble on top of the penny breaks. So let's say, hypothetically, the 40th drop broke the bubble. I would write down 39 because that's how many drops it held. Then I take my paper towel. I'm going to dry off my penny. And I am ready to go again. Now let's zoom back out so you got a better view of the table. I'm going to record my drops for the water, and I'm ready to go again. When I'm done with the water, I've done my 3 trials. I need to clean my pipette, I need to clean off my penny, and then I'm ready for the next liquid. For your second liquid, you have a choice. You can test or vegetable oil, or you could test rubbing alcohol, either one. When you test these, get a much smaller container, just take a little bit at a time, because whatever you've taken out, you're gonna just rinse away. Keep the water and the paper towel handy, because you wanna clean that penny after every liquid, after every trial, and you wanna clean the pipette after every liquid to make sure that we're getting valid results. As extra credit, when you're done, you've done water, you do one of these 2 liquids, and then for extra credit, you could do a 3rd liquid. Maybe you find out, hey, I have vegetable oil and rubbing alcohol at home. I'm gonna do both of them. Maybe you're a curious person and you say, I wonder how many drops milk would take, or soda, or something else that you might have in the kitchen. Extra credit for the 3rd random liquid, but you have to test water and either vegetable oil or rubbing alcohol. Clean everything thoroughly in between. I look forward to hearing about your results. If you have a question, if you have a concern, if you have a problem, your science teacher is only an email away, and we'd be happy to help you. Remember, with any science experiment, you need to have adult permission, and you should have adult supervision, even for something as simple as this, because you start to cheat the safety rules on the simple ones, bad things can happen. Be safe, be careful, let me know how it turns out.